Here we are at Epic. We don't just make new Jeeps awesome. We take old Jeeps and make them awesome again. So we took this SmittyBilt Promo Jeep and we made it able to drive amazing here in Canada. This is what it looks like here in June.
It's June, right?
Yes. Well, even if it isn't, this is what it looks like here in June. So this is going to be a little bit of a different job in the shop today. This is one of SmittyBilt's promotional gladiators from California. It got the hell out of Dodge and it applied for citizenship or asylum here in the Great White North of Canada.
Yes.
I don't know why. Maybe it had a healthcare problem. I don't know. Our job today, since it's a little tired, we are going to rip all of the suspension out, give it a refresh with we're going to step it up. We're going to go to another premium level of product. We are going to redo it all with Teraflex front to back. We're going to do arms, long extended travel kit in the rear, Falcon shocks, stuff that you know can handle what we're throwing down here up here in Canada. We, and what I mean we, I mean Mike and Landon,
Yes.
has completely gutted the suspension out of this thing to give it a whole refresh. We've got the Teraflex system in here. We have Falcon 3.3 shocks. Why do you always see us using Falcon shocks? Well, Canada is a barren wasteland of disaster. It's like one step away from the apocalypse, similar to like The Walking Dead, except instead of zombies trying to eat you, they just run into you while they're on their phone staring at TikTok all the time. Come up for a visit. So this hard anodized coating that it has here, it'll look this good for years, no matter what salt or blood or zombie remains is on the road and splashes up into it. So that's why we use this. Plus, the Teraflex springs are all specific now to what your vehicle is. So like this is a gas engine one, it got a certain one. If it had a 392 in it, it'd get a different set. If it was an eco diesel, it would also be a different set. So you're not just like, well, this coil did a 4.5 on a 2-door JK, so we're going to throw it in here and it'll be a 3.5 on a gas Gladiator.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Who would do that?
Yeah.
That is ridiculous. We've got the upgraded steering, and with that, we're able to take the Nexus stabilizer, put it up out of harm's way so it won't hit the parking curb at the Costco. Track bars, front and rear. We did all the control arms with the Alpine arms. Drop brackets, as we do to everything, because if you can't get where you're going because of this little extra amount of clearance it takes away, give your keys to somebody else.
True.
This will change the handling, how it drives, fix all the arms so they're more parallel, not on an angle. Your alignment angle will be good. The pinion angle works better. Basically, it's just all lots of better,
Yes.
except for this tiny little 1.5 inches.
Yes.
And despite what your girlfriend might tell you, the 1.5 inches doesn't really matter. So in the back here, Alpine arms are in. This is the extended travel system. So you notice we've gotten rid of the sway bar, threw it on the floor, tossed it in the garbage. And now the sway bar is above the frame. So, and have these giant sway bar links and brake lines and brackets. So it allows us to have up to 17 inches of rear wheel travel. So when you're flying through the desert or construction site or mall parking lot, you can still keep your tires planted on the ground when they're spinning, when the front tires are in the air. We have coil spring retainers top and bottom, so no matter how much travel you drop down, the coil can't go anywhere. So it won't fall out and go ding, 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 like your XJ buddy while you're wheeling. What was on it when it drove in was, for some odd reason, a set of 40-inch tires on stock axles. Don't do that. Despite the internet, what the internet shows you, all kinds of things, the internet's not real. It's fake news, okay? Don't do it. So, they've dropped off a set of brand new Black Rhino wheels, coincidentally because they own Black Rhino, and these Falcon Wildpeak tires in a 37, which it might not be as big and beefy as aggressive as those Pro Comp 40s, but I'll tell you, you might not die on the highway, and you'll stick to the road in bad weather. So, you know, safety and all, get home to your kids. There's enough kids without parents out there.
Yes.
This will get you home to your kids. None of the lights are the factory lights, and there's some lights up here. You might not have seen these before. They're a brand called Morimoto, and they're not that bad of a import light brand. Now, if you're in Canada, these lights would need covers, but they don't make covers for these yet, so they're not covered. And I asked, they didn't want me to wrap them in duct tape. Okay, sure. So, but for a while there, you couldn't get a Jeep with LED headlights, so this was one of the better options that came out. That was a bright headlight. It gave you that whole like nipple look out of your grill.
Looking for an epic Jeep or Ram? Give us a call.